What's up, guys? Today in this video I have a review of the Elago AirPods silicone case, and I'm also announcing a giveaway for this pair of AirPods. So if you want to know more about this, stay tuned to the end of the video. But without further ado, let's get into this. This is the Elago AirPods silicone case. As you can see here, it uses nice black silicone rubber, but you can get it in a variety of different colors, including gray, pink, and blue. So basically how it works is it's a one piece, not two piece, just one full piece, and it's got this little connector piece to connect with the top of the case. So basically how it works is you just wrap this around the top, and you might get some gaps like these. All you have to do is lift open the lid, put it back on, and just kind of rub your finger, your thumb, just down, and there you go. Now it's perfectly on. So, what are some highlights of this case? It's perfect for everyday use. As you can see, it doesn't add that much bulk. It adds a little bit, and at first I was a little bit skeptical because I was just like, I don't know, I just like the low profile, just slim case feel, but this is actually way better because it has way more grip. So if you put it in your pocket, it actually grips your pocket, whereas if it just sleek plastic, it's gonna slip out of your pocket. That actually happened to me. I lost a pair of AirPods because it slipped out of my pocket. So this is a really big improvement over the actual normal case. And as you can see, you can change up the color. So this is black, which I think looks really good, really clean. And you see it opens up. You can see the added thickness here. It's not too much, and I think it looks really good. It feels really nice in hand. It's premium material, and it's only $10. I got this on Amazon. I'll leave my link in the description below if you would like to purchase these. And it's made of silicone, obviously. And what's really good about the silicone is it's flexible, so it just wraps right around, and it's really impact resistant. So basically, if you drop it, it'll absorb most of the impact. Of course, like if you just chuck it off your roof, I mean, it might break, but it's better than nothing. And you can get a lot of scratches. Let's say if you just drop it on the road, your AirPods, you might get some scratches or some nicks or something like that. But the silicone is really hard to scratch. It's pretty much impossible. So yeah, that's pretty much for the overview of this product. So as I said earlier in the video, I'm giving away this pair of AirPods right here. So these are just the AirPods 1. They do not come with the wireless charging case. As you can see here, it is just a regular, normal pair of AirPods. So I will be giving this away, and the giveaway will be announced in about 1 week. I will post a video. So all you have to do to enter the video is you have to be subscribed, you have to like this video, and you have to comment down below why you want these AirPods. So that's pretty much it. So you just do those 3 steps and stay tuned. You turn on post notifications. You don't have to, but that's if you want to get the notifications for the video of who wins. So yeah, that will be out in about a weekish, maybe 2 weeks at most. But yeah, so that's how you win these AirPods. Just perfectly genuine AirPods. So if you want these to become yours, then enter this giveaway. So yeah, that's it. Now back to the video. There are other competitors to this case, such as the in-case AirPods case, and those are actually sold at Apple. So those are a little more premium, but they're way more expensive compared to this. This is a really good cheap alternative, and I personally use this. Sometimes I don't use it because I just like, having the nice white finish and stuff, but it's really good. And I think even it's only $10. So if you just don't want to don't want to take some chances, you don't want to use it all the time, it's still really good. And this is compatible with both AirPods 1 and AirPods 2. It will not show the LED though. There is another Elago case that will. It has a thin wall where the LED is, so it will show the LED. But this is not that one, but it still works, and it does support wireless charging. So if you guys have the wireless charging case, this does support it. You don't need to take off the case, and it will wirelessly charge. So personally, I think that this is a really good product. It's really cheap. It comes in a nice box. Packaging, I mean, it's 10 bucks. It's definitely not bad. It's a nice little box. It just comes right in there. This is the size comparison, as you can see. So it's pretty much the exact same size. It's just a box version. But yeah, so this is a pretty short review. I mean, there's not much to go over here. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and consider subscribing. And if you guys have any video suggestions, please leave it in the comments below, as that really helps me out. And same with any feedback. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Peace.